In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Chatgpt feature in Gohighlevel. We're going to set this up inside a workflow. So if you want to automate responses or actions using AI, this is a simple way to get started. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along inside your own account. First, go to Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct sub-account. This is important because workflows and automation settings are tied to the specific sub-account you're working in. Before you continue, just take a second to confirm that you're in the right place. Once you're in the sub-account, click on Automation. This is where you'll build the workflow that will use the ChatGPT feature. Inside the automation area, click Create Workflow to start building a new one. When the setup options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a clean workflow so you can build exactly what you need without using a pre-made template. It's the best option if you want full control over how the automation works. Next, click Add New Trigger. The trigger is what starts the workflow, so this step tells Gohighlevel when the automation should begin. For this example, add a trigger such as Form Submitted. That means the workflow will begin whenever someone submits the selected form. This is a practical starting point, especially if you want AI to respond to new leads or organize information automatically. After selecting the trigger, click Save Trigger. Always make sure your trigger is saved before moving on, so the workflow has a proper starting point. Now click Add, and then choose Add Action. This is where you define what happens after the trigger fires. In the Action Search field, type ChatGPT so you can quickly find the AI-related option. From the results, click GPT powered by OpenAI. This is the new feature you'll be using inside the workflow. Selecting it adds the AI action directly into your automation, allowing Gohighlevel to use GPT as part of the process. Once you've selected it, click Save Action to confirm it. And that's it. You've now created a workflow from scratch, added a trigger to start the process, and inserted the new GPT powered by OpenAI action into your Gohighlevel automation. If you're setting this up for the first time, it's a good idea to review the workflow once before using it live, just to make sure everything is connected the way you want. This setup gives you a strong foundation for building smarter automations with AI inside Gohighlevel.